What's up, guys? Welcome to Farm Simulator 2015. This is Tyler. Let's see here. We're on the map Idaho. I believe it's from the 2013 Farm Simulator game. And right now, I'm baling this field, finishing up that barley field over there, and then we're gonna get some animals fed. Let me turn the sound down a little bit. Oh shit, not that far. Let's try that. A little lower. Alright, let's finish baling this field. Well, we gotta wait on the combine anyway. I've got a bunch of mods I want to get to in this video. I'm sure a lot of you guys have probably seen them, but the ones that I really like, I don't like downloading mods that aren't necessarily finished or not the greatest quality mods. I like having game quality. I like having the same quality that the game originally comes with, kind of mods. And some of them aren't, but for the most part, they're all pretty good. They're all decent mods. So this map, it's a really big map. It's a beautiful map too. It's called Idaho. Like I said, I think it's from 2013 Farm Simulator. But I wanted something that was different than the original maps that it came with, and they're kind of smaller. What's the name of the one? West something? West? I forget the name of it. But that's because I only play on this map for the most part. I like the layout of it. Alright, last one here. So now that we got the baler all folded up, we got all the whole field baled, we're gonna go get the bale collector, go get a tractor and the bale collector. Actually, we should empty this harvester out. Now this truck, this truck right here, it's a nice looking truck, but with this trailer, and I'm pretty sure it's just because of this trailer, I have a problem turning it. It's like it's catching on something. See, I don't know what's going on. But it's the only one I have right now, so it's what I gotta use. Oh boy. And we're stuck. Hold on just a minute. We're going to try a little unconventional way of getting this truck off this bale. Hopefully it works. Almost. Try it right now. Oh, come on. Still stuck. We have a harvester over there that needs unloaded. Come on, you dirty bitch. Alright, one more try, and then if I don't get it, I'm just gonna leave it here. Hey, there we go. Alright. As I was saying, we're gonna unload this harvester. We're gonna go unload the other harvester in the barley field, and then we will collect these bales. I really like this John Deere, this harvester. I'm a John Deere guy myself, so that's probably why. Alright, we're unloaded here. So I'm going to... Where's the option there? Fold harvest, there we go. Okay, we don't need this one anymore. Actually, what I might do, I think I am going to do, is take this over to the barley field so I can help this case harvester just harvest this field. And then collect all these bales. I'm gonna go get this truck real quick so I can unload this, get that going. So this Freightliner, it's obviously a mod, along with these trailers. You've seen the other one over there. And they're really nice models. The only problem I have with them is they don't have turn signals. I believe they have brakes, but no turn signals. And you can hook up multiple trailers to them. And they got the cover, yada yada. So yeah, if I try the turn signal, I can't. Nothing comes on, nothing happens. It's got brakes, and it's got I can't think of the button for the lights. Well, it has lights. There we go. But no turn signals. That's the only complaint I have about these trailers. It's not a big deal though. So we'll get this unloaded and we'll head back over to the John Deere. And we'll kill one bird with two stones. I also want to try doing some logging on this map. I think that would be pretty fun. Alright, this is a big field. Wow, it's a lot bigger than I thought. Beautiful scenery over here, though. This is why I love this map. Almost there. Damn. Take out a sign. Nope. Alright, we made it. So let's get this one going on this side. Actually, might kind of be a pain in the ass because I'd have to drive the truck over here and then back over there. Oh well, we're just going to get it going. See if I can hire a worker to do this field because it's kind of, it's not straight necessarily. Oh yeah, I hired the worker and he wants to go this way. Oh, that might work. Let's see if he gets stuck or ends up in this river over here. I'm not sure if this is going to work out too well. I don't know, I might. It's going to miss a chunk over here, but... I'll just let him do his thing. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna get this spot. I'm gonna straighten that up. That way, I just don't have to worry about it. So this little patch, and then I'm gonna straighten this up, and he'll be on his merry way. I have a feeling there's going to be a lot of missed spots on this field. Oh yeah, a lot of missed spots. Oh well, not too worried about it. So we'll get that going, and we will get over to the vehicle that I need to pick the bales up. So I didn't have the auto stack, which is what I want for that that big field full of straw. So I gotta go pick one up now at the shop. I'm gonna hop in one of the trucks here and go grab that, and then we'll head out to the field. And Chevy, yeah. Where's the? Thought I had the Power Stroke over here, but maybe not. Alright, so we'll take this over and grab the auto stack. We'll head to that field. I'd like to feed the cows and pigs and sheep as well at some point today. So we'll drive into town, and I won't edit this out. That way you guys can see what the drive is like from this map, or from this farm to the city, where you get where your shop's at, where you get all the tractors, etc., where the fuel stations are. And yeah, I'm not waiting for you guys. So there's one of the gas stations you can get fuel at. You got a McDick's right here. Pretty cool map. And this is the shop, so this is where it's like in all the other shops, it's actually a Tractor Supply. I'm going to see if I can hook this up to this auto stack, and then we'll get to that field. There we go. Lots of fields in this map. Lots and lots of fields. I believe you can purchase seed there. You can purchase silage, straw, hay, shit, whatever you need. Right back there, I have a loader there. You can farm some of this right here. This is be a real nice farming area for logs. A little flat spot up here. So we might get into that eventually. I haven't really messed with the logging aspect of this game yet. There's another gas station right there. Our roll almost looks like anal. Getting some lag. Alright, so here's the field. Over there is the farm where all the animals are kept. And we will pick all these bales up and take them over there. If you've never used this auto stack thing, it's a lifesaver when it comes to picking all these damn bales up. It's almost impossible to get everything with the front end loader and the bale fork. It's almost impossible for how much you have. If you have a small field, it's not so bad, but you definitely need something like this for a lot of bales. So I'm just going to keep doing this until this is full, and then we'll go unload it. Alright, so our auto stack is full. We're going to head over to the field, unload this, and come back and get some more until we get them all eventually. I might not even do all these right now. I might do a couple stacks, and just enough to get the animals by. And then I'll do it some other time. I can definitely feel this trailer, how heavy it is right now on this truck. Got to get this corn down yet too. So I'm gonna try to find a good spot for this over at this field, or the animal farm here. Let's see, we got the old cab over at Kenworth. That's a real nice truck. There's the Power Stroke. I was wondering where it went. Alright, so I'm just gonna throw these somewhere. Maybe right beside that barn. Alright, let's see what we get here. Actually, I'm going to straighten this up because it kind of becomes a pain in the ass if your truck's turned and you try pulling it out. It will take some of the bales with it and it won't come off as easy. So it's better to back straight up and hope for the best when you unload these bales, so your trailer doesn't take them all out after you unload them. So we're just gonna unload them right here, and hopefully they stay. Yep. See what I mean? I could just pull out right there, but sometimes if you have to turn, the back wheels over here turn on the trailer, so it kind of nicks the bales and knocks them all over and makes a mess. So we'll load this back up and head back out to the field. Alright, we got our second load. I'm going to try to back this straight up, park it next to the standing one right now. That looks good right there. So click O, pull away. See, it kind of grabbed the bales there. Oh well, it didn't knock them over, so that's good. And on to the next. Alright, it's looking like we're going to get 2 more on here, and then we'll have to go back to the farm, unload. This will probably be the last one I'm going to do, just because there's a lot more and it's not something that you guys probably want to see. So we'll head back over to the farm here, unload this. We're going to go unload the harvesters, and then I'm going to go back to the farm and show you guys some of the mods that I have. I don't think I have anything here to feed these guys. I was originally going to do that, but I think it's at the other farm, so I'm going to have to check real quick, and then if not, I think they're good for now. So it's not too big of a deal. I'm just going to put this right in front of these ones. Try to butt him up as close as I can. Can't really see though. Oh, that's good enough. I have a feeling since my truck is turned, I'm gonna end up pulling them down with me, and I really don't want that. No. No. I need to try to straighten this up. Oh my goodness. This is bad. Oh boy. Okay, you stay there. Or come with me. Sometimes you can lower the trailer. Oh man. Well, I'll pick those up later with the tractor. Sometimes you can lower the arm there that holds them, and it'll work, but other times it'll grab them and flip them. So I didn't want to do that. Oh well, it's not too bad for 3 tries. Normally I mess them all up. So we're gonna leave this here. I'm gonna check around, see if I have a something with silage in it so I can feed these animals. I do not believe I do. I think it's at the other farm, the one with the milk cows, because these ones here are beef, I believe. Yeah, I don't have it here. Actually, wait a minute. I may have. I thought I stored a trailer in here somewhere, in one of these animal barns, but maybe not. Maybe that's at the other one too. Yeah, nope. Alright. So we're going to get these combines unloaded. And we'll do that one time. I'll do this one and I'll go do the John Deere. And then we're going to go to the farm, the main farm, and check out some mods. See what I have over there. This truck interior isn't too bad. It's actually better than most. Some of them are just, it's not even, to me it's not even worth downloading just for the interior. So this one's about empty, and we'll head over to the John Deere and get that unloaded. So he's actually doing a decent job, better than I expected. A couple spots missed, but that's to be expected. I get little spots, a lot smaller than I thought. Nice. I put the links up for all the mods that I have, but I'm not too sure. It's been a while since I downloaded them, so I'm not exactly sure where I got them. I don't remember. If you want to download one, comment down below, and I'll try to get back with you on where I got it. Most of them are just on the normal sites, though. I mean, I think all of them actually are from either the Farming 2015 or Farming Mod 2015, whatever the site is. And there's multiple sites that have all of great mods, but if you want to know what mods I have, just ask me and I'll respond as soon as possible. Okay. So I'm going to leave this truck here. Got some drifting going on. I'll leave this here, and we will go check out what we got going on at the farm. So here we got the Cat Challenger. This is one of my more recent mods. Very nice interior. Very nice tractor overall. I was using this one to sow a field earlier. What else do we got? Let's check out some trucks in here. We got another cab over Kenworth. We got some lag too. I downloaded these are from the 2017 Farm Simulator, I believe. I downloaded these, very nice models. A forklift. I love these GMC. This is a pack that it came with GMC trucks. You got a rollback. You got a grain truck. I'll show you this one real quick. So yeah, you got it's the rollback. It's kind of buggy a little bit. It needs to come back a little more too, because that's pretty steep to be driving up. Nice truck though. So pretty much I'll show you here. I'll hop in another one of my mods, the Ford, the 2017 Super Duty Ford F450. Not the best interior, and actually I'm gonna go wash this up real quick. Alright, I just wanted to wash it real quick so I could show you guys what it looks like when it doesn't have that dirt texture on it. Looks a lot better. But yeah, just checking out this rollback. Oh, come on. Checking out this rollback, it's pretty nice. I haven't really used it too much. It just kind of sits in the garage and looks nice. But it does work. Everything works for the most part. You can lock the load down. So we'll get that up there. It just barely fits. I believe the winch lock, I think that locks it. Actually, you know what? If I remember right, yeah, it doesn't lock it. It does that, yeah. Huh. Well, it's just a little buggy. I'll try to get this off of here. Alright. Well, anyway, like you guys saw, I was just doing. It also has the I forget what it's called, under something that you can pick vehicles up with. I don't think it's operational, but it's just there, and you can still use it to tow trailers and whatnot. But it's there. The grain truck, it's just essentially same thing, just with a different attachment on the bed, on the rear, on the chassis, I should say. Got an excavator. We don't know how the excavators work. They're all the same. And this one's really nice too. It's a John Deere sprayer. It's just like what you'd see driving down the road that everyone wants to drive underneath. It's the same thing. It also has the in-cab feature. You can open the doors, tilt wheel, and this is what was this one? Oh, that's the stairs. The stairs fold up. So it's a really nice model. I use it quite a bit. So then we got this Kenworth. It's a real rugged. It's a truck I think I'm going to use for logging because it resembles a logging truck. It's got all these options you can choose from. I'm hooked up to the Lowboy right now, which is also another mod. It's a real nice mod. So you can turn strobes on. which flash. The orange one's up here, the white light bar up top. Real nice, real detailed interior. You got all kinds of light options. You can turn the cab light on inside. Like I said, just a lot of options. The work light in the rear. You have the tri-axle that goes down, and the Jake brake. This one here, it's a older Chevy, like an 80s model Chevy. Nice truck. The only problem I have with it is, listen when I drive. I think it sounds like a NASCAR. Sounds like it has just straight headers. That's the only problem I have with this truck, but overall it's nice. Nice for on the farm. And the haul's pretty good too. The next one I have is the 15 F-150. Very nice truck. The only thing I have a problem with is it stopping. It doesn't stop, and it doesn't accelerate very fast. So I kind of don't use this one as much. Still a nice truck though. Let's see what else we got. We've got this JCB front end loader slash backhoe. Not really too fond of the controls for the backhoe part, as it's all the keypad. That's what operates it. Once you get the hang of it, it's not so bad, but it extends, the arm extends. But I think for the most part, that's all the mods that I have. I might have a couple more, but we'll get to that in another video.